Hi, how are you? Kurra Srinivasa Rao Yadav, Senior Lecturer in Chemistry. Today, we have discussed one of the most important concepts for NEET and IIT students. Now, the concept is hybridization. It is one of the most important concepts. For in hybridization, two simple formulas used to solve hundreds of examples. Now the formulas. First one, H is equal to V by 2. The second formula, H equal to V plus X by 2. And another formula, H is equal to V plus X minus C plus A by 2. Then what is H? H means total number of hybrid atom. Then what is V? V means total number of valency electrons present in center atom. V means total number of valency electrons present in a center atom. Then what is X? X means number of monovalent atoms. X means number of monovalent atoms. Now in your syllabus, the main monovalent atoms are hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. The main monovalent atoms in your syllabus: hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. C means charge of cation. A means charge of anion. Suppose, example 1. Hybridization of oxygen in ozone. Now the formula of ozone is O3. Center atom is oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen 8. Configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Total number of valency electrons in oxygen is 6. Total number of valency electrons in oxygen is 6. So, for divalence formula, H is equal to V by 2. Total number of valence electrons in oxygen is 6. 6 by 2. That means 3. 3 means sp2 hybridization. So, hybridization of oxygen in ozone is sp2. Now, another one. Hybridization of sulfur in sulfur dioxide. The formula of sulfur dioxide is SO2. So, sulfur is also 16th group element. That means oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. These elements are 16th group elements or 6th A subgroup elements. So all these elements have 6 valency electrons. 6 valency electrons. So, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur have totally 6 valency electrons. So that means, now the formula H is equal to V by 2. That means 6 by 2. That means 3. So hybridization sp2. Hybridization of sulfur in sulfur dioxide sp2. Next, another one. Hybridization of sulfur in sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide. The formula of sulfur trioxide is SO3. Now, total number of valence electrons in sulfur 6. So 6 by 2. That means it is also sp2. At the same time, hybridization of sulfur in sulfate ion. Sulfate ion. The formula of sulfate ion is SO4 minus 2. The formula of sulfate ion is SO4 minus 2. SO4 minus 2. Total number of valence electrons in sulfur is 6. So in formula, minus 2 there. That means 6 plus 2 by 2. 6 plus 2 means 8 by 2, 4. That means sp3 hybridization. And another example. Hybridization of sulfur in sulfite ion. Sulfite ion. ite ion. Its formula SO3 minus 2. The formula of sulfite ion is SO3 minus 2. So, total number of valence electrons in sulfur is 6. Sulfite ion minus 2. That means 6 plus 2 by 2. 8 by 2. So 4. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of carbon in carbonate ion. What is it? Carbonate ion. The formula of carbonate ion CO3 minus 2. CO3 minus 2. Carbon have 4 valence electrons. So 4 plus 2 by 2. 6 by 2. 3 means sp2 hybridization. Next one. Hybridization of phosphorus in phosphate ion. Now the formula of phosphate ion PO4 minus 3. Formula of phosphate ion PO4 minus 3. Phosphorus. Phosphorus have totally 5 valency electrons. The formula of phosphate ion is PO4 minus 3. So 5 plus 3 by 2. 8 by 2. That means 4. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Next one, hybridization of nitrogen in nitrate ion. Nitrate ion. The formula of nitrate ion, NO3. The formula of nitrate ion, NO3 minus. Total number of valence electrons in nitrogen, 5. Nitrate ion, NO3 minus. So that means 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2. 3 means sp2 hybridization. Now another one. Hybridization of nitrogen in nitrite ion. Nitrite ion. The formula of nitrite ion, NO2 minus. So 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 3. sp2 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of sulfur in king of chemicals. King of chemical means sulfuric acid. Its formula H2SO4. In sulfuric acid, hydrogen is monovalent and oxygen is divalent. Total number of valence electrons in sulfur is 6. 2 hydrogen atoms. That means 2 monovalent atoms. So X is equal to 2. That means formula H is equal to V plus X by 2. 6 plus 2 by 2. 8 by 2. 4 means sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Next. Hybridization of sulfur in sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid. The formula of sulfurous acid is H2SO3. H2SO3. Sulfur, total number of valence electrons 6. 2 hydrogen means 2 monovalent atoms. 6 plus 2 by 2. 8 by 2. That means 4. Means sp3 hybridization. Now, one is sulfuric acid, another one is sulfurous acid. What is the difference between ic acid and az acid? What is the difference between ic acid and az acid? Now the difference between ic acid and az acid is oxidation number of sulfur is maximum, means 6. It is ic acid. Oxidation number of sulfur is low, that means not maximum, less than group number. It is az acid. It is a difference between ic acid and az acid. Suppose hybridization of nitrogen in nitric acid. The formula of nitric acid is HNO3. Total number of valence electrons in nitrogen is 5. Only one hydrogen atom is there. That means only one hydrogen atom. That means one monovalent atom. 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2. 3. sp2 hybridization. Now, next one. Hybridization of nitrogen in nitrous acid as acid. The formula of nitrous acid is HNO2. HNO2. So, total number of valency electrons in nitrogen is 5. One hydrogen means one monovalent atom. So 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, 3, sp2 hybridization. Now, one is nitric acid and another one is nitrous acid. Now, the difference between ic acid and az acid. Oxidation number of nitrogen is maximum, means equal to group number 5. It is ic acid, nitric acid. Oxidation number of nitrogen is low, that means less than group number. It is az acid. It is a difference between ic acid and az acid. Now the next one. Hybridization of phosphorus in orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid. Now the formula of orthophosphoric acid, H3PO4. H3PO4. So, that means total number of valency electrons in phosphorus is 5. 3 hydrogens are, means 3 monovalent. 3 monovalents. So that means 5 plus 3 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. sp3 hybridization. Hybridization of phosphorus in orthophosphoric acid is sp3. What is the hybridization? sp3. At the same time, hybridization of carbon in carbon dioxide. Total number of valence electrons in carbon is 4. 4 by 2. 2. sp hybridization. Hybridization of carbon in carbon monoxide. The formula of carbon monoxide CO. So 4 by 2. 2. sp hybridization. Hybridization of carbon in bicarbonate ion. What is it? Bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate ion. So, the formula of bicarbonate ion, HCO3 minus 1. Formula of bicarbonate ion, HCO3 minus 1. Total number of valence electrons in carbon is 4. One hydrogen means one monovalent atom. X equal to 1. 4 plus 1. Minus 1 means plus 1. 4 plus 1 plus 1. 6 by 2. 3. sp2 hybridization. Now, hybridization of carbon in carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. The formula of carbonic acid is H2CO3. Carbonic acid is H2CO3. Total number of valence electrons in carbon is 4. 2 hydrogen means 2 monovalent atom. X is equal to 2. 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, 3. sp2 hybridization. Next. Hybridization of carbon in carbonate ion. The formula of carbonate ion, CO3 minus 2. The formula of carbonate ion, CO3 minus 2. Total number of valence electrons in carbon is 4. Minus 2 means plus 2. 4 plus 2 by 2. 6 by 2, 3 means sp2 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of iodine in I3 minus. I3 minus. Now in I3, one iodine worked as a center atom. Remaining 2 iodines worked as a monovalent atoms. That means in I3 minus, 2 iodines worked as a monovalent. So X is equal to 2. Total number of valence electrons in iodine is 7. I3 minus. Minus 1 means plus 1. 7 plus 2 plus 1. Totally 10 by 2 means 5. sp3d hybridization. So another one. Hybridization of iodine in I minus 3. I minus 3. Total number of valence electrons in iodine is 7. Minus 3 means plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10 by 2, 5. sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of nitrogen in ammonium ion. The formula of ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Ammonium ion formula, NH4 plus 1. Nitrogen have totally 5 valence electrons. 4 hydrogen atom means monovalents are 4. X equal to 4. Plus 1 means we can take minus 1. 5 plus 4 minus 1 means 8 by 2. 4. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of oxygen in hydronium ion. What is it? Hydronium ion. Generally, the formula of hydronium ion is H3O plus. H3O plus. Total number of valence electrons in oxygen is 6. 3 hydrogen atom. That means X equal to 3. So that means 6 plus 3. Hydronium ion formula H3O plus. Plus 1 means minus 1. 6 plus 3 minus 1. So 8 by 2. 4. It is also sp3 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of nitrogen in ammonia. The formula of ammonia, NH3. NH3. Total number of valence electrons in nitrogen is 5. Nitrogen is 5. 3 hydrogen atoms means 3 monovalent. X equal to 3. 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, 4. sp3 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of oxygen in water. water. The formula of water is H2O. Total number of valence electrons in oxygen is 6. 2 hydrogen atom means 2 monovalent atom. X equal to 2. So 6 plus 2 by 2. 8 by 2. 4. sp3 hybridization. Another one most important example is hybridization of carbon in dichlorocarbene. Dichlorocarbene. Its formula CCl2. CCl2. Dichlorocarbene. Its formula CCl2. Total number of valence electrons in carbon is 4. 2 chlorine atom means 2 monovalent atoms. X is equal to 2. 4 plus 2 by 2. 6 by 2. 3. sp2 hybridization. Now another one. Hybridization of carbon in dihydrocarbene. Dihydrocarbene. The formula of dihydrocarbene CH2. CH2. Total number of valence electrons in carbon 4. 2 hydrogen means 2 monovalent atom. X equal to 2. 4 plus 2 by 2. 6 by 2. 3 means sp2 hybridization. Hybridization of carbon in methane. The formula of methane CH4. Carbon total valence electrons 4. 4 hydrogen means 4 monovalent atom. 4 plus 4 8 by 2. 4 sp3 hybridization. Now the difference, dihydrocarbene, carbene formula CH2, methane formula CH4. Next, carbon tetrachloride CCl4. Carbon total valence electrons 4. 4 chlorine atom means X equal to 4. 4 plus 4 8 by 2. sp3. So dichlorocarbene CCl2 hybridization sp2. Carbon tetrachloride CCl4 hybridization sp3. Next, hybridization of carbon in phosgene or carbonyl chloride. Phosgene or carbonyl chloride. Its formula COCl2. COCl2. Total number of valence electrons in carbon is 4. Total number of valence electrons in carbon is 4. So V is equal to 4. 2 chlorine atom means X equal to 2. 4 plus 2 by 2. 6 by 2. sp2 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of carbon in chloroform. Hybridization of carbon in chloroform. The formula of chloroform is CHCl3. CHCl3. Total number of valence electrons in carbon is 4. 1 hydrogen means 1 monovalent atom. 3 chlorine atom means 3 monovalent atoms. Total monovalent atoms 4. 4 plus 4 8 by 2. 4. sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Hybridization of phosphorus in PCl3 molecule. Phosphorus trichloride. PCl3. Phosphorus trichloride. Total number of valence electrons in phosphorus is nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, but not antimony, and bismuth. These are 15th group elements or 5th A subgroup elements have 5 valency electrons. So phosphorus have 5 valency electrons. Now the molecule is phosphorus trichloride, means PCl3. Phosphorus have 5 valency electrons. So 5. 3 chlorine atom means 3 monovalents. X equal to 3. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 8 by 2. 5 plus 3. 8 by 2. 4. sp3 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of phosphorus in phosphorus pentachloride. What is the name of the molecule? Phosphorus pentachloride. Its formula PCl5. 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 So total number of valence electrons in phosphorus is 5. 5 chlorine atom means 5 monovalent atoms. X is also 5. 5 plus 5, 10 by 2, 5. sp3d hybridization. What is hybridization? sp3d hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of sulfur in sulfur tetrachloride. Sulfur tetrachloride. Its formula SCl4. SCl4. Total number of valency electrons in sulfur is 6. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, but not selenium, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. These are 16th group elements or 6th A subgroup elements. These elements also chalcogens. Chalcogen means mineral forming or ore forming. Chalcogen means mineral forming or ore forming. So sulfur tetrachloride. Total number of valence electrons in sulfur is 6. So V is equal to 6. 4 chlorine atoms. That means 4 monovalent atoms. X equal to 4. 6 plus 4, 10 by 2, 5. sp3d hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of sulfur in sulfur hexafluoride. Sulfur hexafluoride. SF6. Sulfur hexafluoride. SF6. SF6. Total number of valence electrons in sulfur is 6. 6 fluorines are there. That means 6 monovalent atoms. X is also 6. 6 plus 6 by 2. 12 by 2. 6. That means sp3d2 hybridization. Now another one. Hybridization of iodine in IF7. Iodine heptafluoride. Iodine heptafluoride. IF7. IF7. Iodine heptafluoride. Iodine heptafluoride. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, ascorbate. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, ascorbate. These are 17th group elements or 7th A subgroup elements. These elements are halogens but not hollow. Halogens. Halogen. What are the name of the elements? Halogens. Halogens. So at the same time, IF7, iodine heptafluoride. Iodine have 7 valence electrons. How many fluorines are there? Hepta means 7. 7 plus 7, 14 by 2, 7. sp3d3 hybridization. sp3d3 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of chlorine ClBr5, chlorine pentabromide, chlorine pentabromide. Chlorine is also halogen element, 17th group. Halogen means, what is the meaning from halogen? Salts are found in seawater. What is the meaning from halogen? Salts are found in seawater. Chlorine pentabromide, ClBr5. Total number of valence electrons in chlorine is 5. 5 bromine means 5 monovalent atoms. So 5 plus 5, 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means 5. sp3 dehybridization. Another important example is hybridization of chlorine in ClF3, chlorine trifluoride, chlorine trifluoride, ClF3. Total number of valence electrons in chlorine is 7. 3 fluorine atom means X equal to 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 2, 5. sp3 dehybridization. At the same time, hybridization of xenon in xenon difluoride. Xenon, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are inert gas elements, means 18th group elements or 8th A subgroup elements. 18th group elements. Inert gases means chemically inactive. Chemically inactive elements. These elements have 8 valency electrons. How many valence electrons? 8 valency electrons except helium. So xenon have totally 8 valency electrons. 2 fluorine means monovalence 2. 8 plus 2, 10 by 2, 5 means sp3d hybridization. Now, xenon tetrafluoride, XeF4, XeF4. Xenon have 8 valency electrons. 4 fluorine atom means 4 monovalence. X equal to 4. So 8 plus 4 by 2. 12 by 2. 6. sp3d2 hybridization. At the same time, hybridization of xenon in xenon trioxide. The formula of xenon trioxide XeO3. Total number of valence electrons in xenon 8. Oxygen is divalent, so 8 by 2, 4. sp3 hybridization. Hybridization of xenon in xenon tetroxide. The formula of xenon tetroxide XeO4. Total number of valence electrons in xenon is 8. Oxide is divalent, so 8 by 2, 4. sp3 hybridization. Hybridization of xenon in XeOF2. XeOF2. Xenon oxydifluoride. Total number of valence electron in xenon is 8. 2 fluorine atom means 2 monovalents. X equal to 2. 8 plus 2 by 2. 10 by 2 means 5. sp3 dehybridization. sp3 dehybridization.